me, Angel.B, coming at you with another look. Sorry it took me so long, I know, to post a video. My hand was in a cast for a while and I had to get it right. But anyway, besides that, for this look, I just went off of the color that's on the dress and just threw some colors together. I can't just like pinpoint what palettes I used, only for the simple fact is because I did use a lot of different brands. But I will list them down below. So if you want to see how I beat my face, then stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm going to start off with the Plouise base in Rumour 3, and I'm going to put this all over my lid to create a clean canvas to work on. Alright, so I'm going to go into the Morphe 39A Dare to Create, and the shade is Slice. And I'm going to go ahead and put this into my crease and then blend it out some. Alright, so now I'm going into the SAHARAN by JUVIA'S plates, and the shade is ZOHRA. And I'm going to put this right on the edge of where the brown is, and then I'm going to blend it up. Alright, so the way that I blend is I put a little bit down first, and then I'll blend it and then keep packing it on, going little by little. And as I'm blending, I am going back and forth between the two shades to make sure that they're well blended together. Alright, so I'm going to go into the Morphe 3503, and the shade is Major HOTTIE. And I'm going to go ahead and use a small brush to blend it out to soften the other shade that I had put down. Alright, to make my halo, I'm going to use the Plouise Acid Range, and the shade is Blank Canvas. And I'm going to go ahead and use this to cut out my halo. Alright, so now that I like it the way it is, I'm going to go into the KERHET DIOR ANNUNAKI palette, and it's a gold shade that she has in this palette. And I'm going to just put this in the middle of my lid, and then I'll start packing on the other shades. Alright, so I'm going to go back into the Morphe 3503, and like I said before, the shade is Major HOTTIE. And I'm going to put this on each side of the gold, and then I'll put down the next shade. Alright, so I'm going to use the ZOHRA again, and I'm going to put this right beside the other shade, and we're going to go ahead and start blending them all together. And I forgot to show you, but I did go back into the 39A Morphe palette, and the shade is Slice, and I put this on the corners of each side and then blend them all together. Alright, so I'm making sure that everything is the way that I like it. I'm going back and forth between the 3 shades that I did put down, even the gold, and just making sure that they're well blended together. Alright guys, so I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be back with the final look. Alright guys, so this is finished look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.